Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to review Carvertical, and I'll also show you a demo using my own car to check if the information provided by Carvertical is actually accurate. So stay tuned until the end of the video to see the results. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to enter the VIN number from my car and click on Get Report. Now we need to wait a little bit while Carvertical checks if the car is in their database. It looks good. My car was detected. As you can see, the report can include information about previous owners, accidents, theft, and mileage records, photos of the vehicle and how it looked in the past, maintenance, and service history. Now I'm proceeding with the payment. I've chosen the most popular bundle for 2 cars, which costs 12 euros in my local currency. After that, a pop-up appears where I'll select Germany as the country, since I'm currently living here. It's best to choose the country where you bought the car. Next, I'll enter my email address so Carvertical knows where to send the report. Then we move on to the summary page and select the payment method. In my case, I'll use PayPal. The payment was successful, and as you can see, it says your purchase has been completed. Now let's continue with View Report for Skoda Fabia. They'll ask you to confirm whether you want to view the full report. I'll click on Confirm. Carvertical is now preparing the report. It usually takes about 4 to 5 minutes, and now the report is finally ready, so let's take a look. Here are the results. Odometer and legal status. Everything looks good. Damage. It says needs attention, but that's because I took the car to a certified auto service to replace some parts. I've never actually had a crash. Theft. No issues found. Carvertical didn't find any records of the vehicle being stolen. It's not currently listed as stolen, and it wasn't in the past either. The police database check was completed across multiple European countries. Odometer history. It hasn't been updated recently, so the latest reading is from 2009. Legal status. No legal issues were found related to this vehicle. Damage, again. As mentioned earlier, some parts were changed at an authorized service in 2021, which is why it shows up in the report. You can also see the estimated repair cost, along with the month and year when the repairs were made. Natural disasters. The vehicle was not located in any area affected by a natural disaster. You can also see the market value, but keep in mind these prices may not be 100% accurate. It depends on your location and various other factors. Further down, you'll find detailed car specs and the manufacturing timeline. Carvertical can also detect whether the car was involved in any accidents or had major parts replaced, and whether it was ever listed for sale. Final thoughts. Overall, this is a pretty accurate car report. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to try Carvertical yourself, feel free to use my link below the video and in the pinned comment to get a nice discount on your next car report. I'll see you in the next video.